Hey guys, David here, and this is another installment of those Leadnetpro 5.0 release that's coming up. I want to make a bunch of these videos for you guys to let you guys know what's in the new software. It's not just a name change. It's not just a little bit of updates. The whole system is really being reconfigured to help you guys out. If you guys are using GoToMeetings or any type of webinars, if you're trying to stream webinars, if you're doing it from a YouTube video or from an Amazon thing, you can do all of that now with Leadnetpro. It's much more than just extraction and voice broadcasting software. I just want you to listen in real quick.
To build it. And it's up and running. You can see the next webinar will be starting in 36 minutes and 30 seconds. And it's going to keep counting down until that webinar hits the 0 o'clock, and then that webinar is going to play for whatever traffic you turn around and drive to your webinars that you have basically arranged for pre-play. This way you can set your webinars, the times you want your webinars to play, and you can set them for any day of the week. In fact, I'm actually going to just show you how easy this is right now. You can see this right now. I'm actually going to go into the Edit Webinar. You get to select the days you want this to play: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so you can change the date. Any changes that you make take effect immediately. The times that you want your webinars to play, the link, the video URL. And by the way, one of the things I want to bring up, because this is really important, so many people put webinars up. One of the things we've done with this is we've encoded the URLs to your webinar links. We realize that people put a lot of webinars online. They'll turn around and people will go to their webinar, they'll view the source code, and guess what they'll turn around and do? They'll grab the link to the video, and then they'll start streaming your video over on their website, costing you money while they're getting a free play. So we've encoded all of this stuff, so nobody's going to be ripping off any of your URLs that are coming with our on-demand webinar service that we're adding to Leadnetpro. But this is where it's very important, because one of the things we do, and I'm just going to go back here, you're able to turn around, again, set your times to play, add your video URL, the width and height of the video that you want. You got your web page title, Leadnetpro 5.0 released. Again, you can see Leadnetpro 5.0 released. So everything is very simple. You get to choose your background center color, your video background color, your countdown clock color. So the clock right here, you get to choose the colors that you want everything displayed in. Okay? You get to choose all that information. So you can switch this up any way you want to. You got a company logo. If you got a URL to that company logo, which that's what this is right now, right here, Leadnetpro. You can add your company logo to it. You can have a redirect URL and then a redirect button. You can see that we got a list of buttons right here that you can choose from. And then you can put a delay on that button. Meaning, and I want to explain what this means. When this counts down and the webinar starts to play, guess what? You can set this right here, number of seconds before the button appears. Let's say your webinar is 30 minutes long. Well, and you don't want a button for them to advance. Let's say join the system, whatever the case may be. Let's say you don't want that to advance, that button to show till maybe 5 minutes before the webinar ends. Well, here's all you need to do. If you take 25 minutes times 60 seconds, that's 1,500 seconds. If you put 1,500 seconds in here, guess what? When this webinar does finally turn the clock and the webinar starts to play, a button's going to slide down at 5 minutes at the end of the webinar for them to turn around and advance to wherever you're directing them to. So we put a lot of neat features in with the system, but it's very simple for you to turn around and switch things as much as you want. You can put a background image URL if you have one of your own. Plus, we've also turned around and we've added backgrounds for you. So you have a number of backgrounds that you can sit and choose from. We're building backgrounds for everything. There's so many programs online, and whatever program needs a background for our on-demand webinar service, guess what? We're going to build it for you. So we've taken a lot of time to turn around and add these things to our system that people can utilize for their on-demand webinar services. Now we realize that you got companies like GVO, you have EPX Body, so we've made some nice backgrounds for those, with our weights, workout, and so forth. And believe it or not, we're adding them for every program. Because one of the things that I want people to realize is with Leadnetpro, our new version, 5.0, we have a mission statement coming out with this new version. And that mission statement is going to be posted right on the new website. Here's what,
guys, this is really, really, important to understand. All of this stuff, all of these things that they're doing is going to be in the new, brand new, revamped Leadnetpro 5.0. And all of these things that they're incorporating into it are just going to help you become a better marketer and help you market your products better. He goes on a little bit further to talk about the custom building sales funnels that you can do. You can integrate your Aweber, your GVO, source code into there. And when you do that, you can get people, you can build your own custom capture pages. And you can have these capture pages that go into different things. They can go into your capture page and then they can play a video. They can go into your capture page and then you can get their email address. You can get their phone number. You can get their actual, whatever information that you need as far as your capture page goes. You can create all that with this system. You can have it as a double opt-in. And what that means is people, they opt in once, then they go to their email, they get a custom number that is generated by the system, and then they have to put that in before they actually go to the video. So there's no more people putting in abracadabra as their Gmail code for their email or whatever it is, ABCDFD, a bunch of numbers or whatever. Guys, this software is not just being updated for the sake of updating it. It's being updated with a purpose. You can market whatever product or service you want with this system. You can market whatever integration, as far as website integration. You can have buttons that go to your website. You can have buttons that go to sales pages. You can have buttons that go to different websites internally inside of Leadnetpro. You can run broadcast for Leadnetpro or webinars, and then when they click the buy button, it takes them to the buy button inside of Leadnetpro tagged to you or with your ID in there. Guys, this system that they're doing right now is just so amazing, and I'm so thankful that I've been a part of this for so long that I can appreciate the new stuff. I've been around for a little while with them, so I saw the little bit of changes that happened while I've been with them, and now there's these bigger changes, these things that they're doing now. I just encourage you guys to check out the actual Leadnetpro information on my website at leadnetpro.org and get the real information, guys. I've helped plenty of people turn their marketing around using software just like this. Using this software exactly, Leadnetpro, but not with the new updates because it hasn't been released yet. But I've helped people do that with this software. This software can be a game changer if you implement it the way it is intended to be. A lot of people buy products or services and they think that it's a lottery system or something. They buy into it and then it's like, okay, I have it now, where's the money? Well, this system encourages you to use it. It's an easy interface as far as user interface and navigation, and once you have this software, you're going to want to do it. You're going to want to pull leads online because it's amazing. You can check out my other videos on how to do that. But when I go in and I pull out 2,000 leads and then I call them and then I get a sale, that's an amazing feeling, guys. And I can't guarantee those same results for you, but if you follow that system and when you get started with me and I lay it out how you're supposed to do this, the training that I give you one-on-one, that's going to help you. That's going to give you what it is that you need to do and the steps that you need to take to really knock this out of the park. So, excuse me, guys, I'm still sick. I do hope this video helped you guys out. If you're kind of on the fence about Leadnetpro or wondering whether you need to get Leadnetpro or not, this 5.0 that's coming out is just amazing. And it's going to help so many of you guys out there who've been struggling for so long in marketing, whether it is you're new to voice broadcasting or whether it is that you're new to online marketing, whether you've been doing it for a while. It can help any of you guys out. So I hope this video helped you guys out as far as understanding more about Leadnetpro and the new upgrades with Leadnetpro 5.0. I do encourage you to check out my website at leadnetpro.org, and we'll see you in the next video.